This is part 3 and the final part of the series, where we create and sell an apparel mockup pack using free tools. If you missed part 1 or part 2, the links are in the description. In this part, we are taking the mockups we built and putting them up for sale on Gumroad. If you haven't grabbed the free mockup blueprint pack yet, the link is in the description below. It has everything you need to get started. Let's start. And now this is the fun part where you actually put your product for sale. Now I'm showing you Gumroad because Gumroad has low threshold to entry. Basically, they don't charge you any money and they don't have any complicated registration process. You can just register in it with your Google account and upload products, and then you can promote your products as much as you can. So to register, just click on Start Selling. Gumroad will ask you to log in. You can simply go log in with your Google account, just like this. And then you check out the profile. This is my current page, my current store page. You go to pages, products. That will show you the products that you already have live. You click on new product and now you give it a name. So let's name it Photopea Apparel Mockups. And then you set a price to your product from here. So let's say, for example, I want to sell it for $5. You can also choose the currency if you want. And you choose whichever kind of digital product it is. So this is one of the good things about Gumroad, is that you can sell many different things here on Gumroad. Then you click next, customize. Here's the name of our product. Then you put a description for the product. So for the description, you can use AI, ChatGPT, Cloud, whichever AI you use usually or you want to use, and it will give you a complete description that you can add here in this. For example, here is a description I got from AI for my actual product that is out there. The URL, you can give it a name here so that it appears on the URL link for it. You can call it something like Mockups. Cover images, you upload them from your PC or external links, and preferably they should be images of the mockup itself or the product itself. For example, I have these images right here, so that I'm using for my products. So let's say I choose these ones to upload them as cover images. Here the images have been already uploaded. You can check the preview of the product image, page from here, and you can upload the thumbnail from here also. I had an image that I've made before. Here it is. Always follow these measurements that they tell you to use. And then here the call to action. I want this, buy this, pay, whatever one you want. You can add a little summary to it or not. And here additional details. You add like specifications of the product. So for example, my product has PSD files and JPEG files as preview, and I also added a readme file that explains the steps and how to use it. So I can add these things right here, just like this. Like that. And you'll notice here, for example, I mentioned the license. I'm saying personal and commercial use. For me, I don't mind if they use my product for commercial use. So these things, you keep them in mind and add details about them so that everything is clear for the customer. And the price is $5. I'm not offering versions of it. And that's it. Then you can move on to the next part. Okay. After you are done, check out the preview to See how it looks on the store, the images and the details that you have put. And if everything is well and good, then save and continue. Then here we go to content. Content is important. This is where we upload the file. So let me show you how to upload the file and what do you need to do to it. For example, this is my product that I want to upload. It has 9 PSDs and 9 preview images. So first you need to compress it. So right click on your file, go to send to and compressed zip folder. Now let me remind you, I'm using Windows here, and I don't know if the process is the same for all operating systems, or of course different systems will use different steps. So check how to do these steps for your particular system that you are using. So here it is. Now this is the name I used for my product. So let me just use the same name that we used here, which is Photopea Apparel Mockups. Okay, so just change it like that, and then we upload this file to Gumroad. So go to upload your files, computer files, and find the file itself. Here it is, Photopea Apparel Mockups. Then just wait for it to be uploaded. Now that our product is already uploaded, then we go to Save Changes, Publish and Continue. And that's it. Now the product is actually live on Gumroad. Let's check it out. Here it is, Photopea Apparel Mockups, as you can see, published. And if you go to the profile main page, you can see how it shows. Here it is, Photopea Apparel Mockups. You view it, $5, the price is there, and see how easy it is to upload a product. Make products, make things, try different things here and there. You will get better and better at it, and your products will become better with time. And that's it. You now have everything you need to create and sell your own mockups for free. If you haven't grabbed the free mockup blueprint pack yet, grab it from the link in the description. It has a starter mockup PSD file, the placeholder images, and the step-by-step guide to help you get your first mockup done. If you found this series helpful, Part 1 is a great place to send anyone who's just getting started with designs. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.